This video, I'll show you how to install the GTA Vice City Remastered AI texture mod to upgrade the game with 8x HD textures and full widescreen support in 2026. All you have to do is check my video description for this mod link. Select the download option. Once the download starts, just pause it, just copy this download link and check my video description for this pre-download manager and select the download option. After the download done, install the free download manager. After the installation done, open it, select this plus icon, paste the link we copied and select OK. Select the location where you want to save this and open and select download option and it will start downloading. As you can see, why we doing this using free download manager, because I got error when I downloaded in Chrome. As you can see, failed a network error. Doing this will fix the problem. After the download done, right click on the zip file and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Just close tab here and right click on the game on the desktop and select open file location. Now open the WinRAR and select any folder and press in keyboard Ctrl plus A and just drag and drop all these files inside the game folder. Select the replace the file in the destination. And now you can just right click on the gtavict.exe and select show more options. Send it to desktop create shortcut and now launch the game through the newly created shortcut. Select this download and install updates now and select restart the game to apply changes. Select this checkmark update all downloaded files and select download and install update now. Select restart the game, apply changes. I show you guys before and after comparison. You can easily compare with mod and without mod. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.